Welcome back to Style T-Learning. In this video, we will see the week 4 assignment 4 of the advanced computer architecture. In last assignment, we have committed the 3 mistakes. So from this video onwards, so we'll try to decrease that errors. So whenever there is an updation or any changes in the assignment, so we'll mention in the Telegram group which we have mentioned in the description box. So kindly join that Telegram group and please try to hit the like button and try to share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for the further updates. So without further delay, let me skip into the today's topic, that is week 4 assignment 4. And now the first question is select the correct option based on the following statements. So setting the available bit in the rename table along with the register while register write is optimal. Basically it is a suboptimal, so there is a confusion in this question. So it is suboptimal, no, it's not optimal. Optimal and suboptimal are completely different. Okay, so optimal in the sense it's correct, suboptimal in the sense not that much correct, so up to some extent. Okay, so if you set the available bit during the broadcast, the instructions that is entering in the instruction window at the time may miss the broadcast and will have already read the incorrect value of the available bit. So that will so both the statements are false. And then second question, select the most appropriate answer. Loads are directly sent to the cache memory because they are on the critical path. So due to they are in the critical path, the loads are sent to the cache memory itself. Okay, stores need to wait in the load store queue till they are the oldest instructions in the pipeline. So once the oldest instructions in the pipeline are executed, so up to that the stores need to be wait. Okay, so both S1 and S2 are true. In load store dependencies prediction, what does the set corresponding to the every load contain? So set stores that have forwarded a value to the given load in the recent past. Okay, so option 3 is the correct for this third question. And then, so what happens when there are no free entries in the reorder buffer? Select the primary effect. So what fetching and decoding stages will be completed, but only the execution stage only it will stalls. Okay, so first option is the correct option for this. And then select the most appropriate option based on these statements. The minimum number of instructions that we can commit per the cycle is called the commit width. So it's not the commit width, it is a stride. So we commit the the commit width is nothing but whenever there is a maximum number of instructions. Okay, maximum number of instructions, at that time we call that as the commit width. Okay, if it is minimum, it's wrong. Okay, we commit the instructions in the program order such that precise exceptions are guaranteed. So only S2 is true. And when we come to the sixth question, so here which of the following are the part of the recovery sequence of the out of order pipeline after the branch misprediction? Choose the most appropriate answer. So everything is correct. So removing the entries from the instruction window, load store queue on the reorder buffer, removing the entries from all the pipeline registers, removing the entries from the rename table and the register file. So all are true. And then when we come to the seventh one, so the RRF stores the state of all the architectural registers at commit time, and RR80 stores the mapping between the architectural registers that contain the committed state and its mapped physical registers. And RRF is more space efficient. Okay, so option 4 is correct for the seventh question. So select the correct option based on the following statements. The load address predictor table is indexed using some bits of the PC. Yes, it's absolutely correct. Whenever a given variable increases by a fixed value in every iteration, this value is known as the distance. It's not the distance. So straight is the correct for this S2. So that's why S1 is true. Collision prediction needs to be done for load storage dependence prediction. and then the CHT is used for prediction of the addresses. So fourth option is correct. Select the most appropriate answer based on the following statements. Register spilling is done when we run out of the registers or call a function. Then the hit mask predictor helps in the latency speculation. Okay, so both are true. So and one thing I wanted to suggest you that in NPTEL Advanced Computer Architecture in 2023 they are following the advanced computer architecture by the Sarangi. See here. So this is what the exact textbook for textbook which we need to follow for preparation of the NPTEL examination. I'll share the link in the video description itself, and I already shared you that you must join the Telegram group for any modification or any further changes. You just to try to join the Telegram group, otherwise you will miss an important updates, then there may be a chance of losing your assignment marks. Okay, so that's why kindly subscribe and try to share your friends. Thank you.